Welcome back to EXPLAINCAD. In previous video we know about exploded view of this assembly, how to explode it. In this video we will know about bill of materials, how to create it, how to convert it into Excel file. I open this assembly. Now select bill of materials. From here select BOM standard. Here select BOM type parts only. From here you can change document properties. I select 0.25 mm. Here also 0.25 mm. Select OK. Here select existing annotation view. OK. Click on anywhere on the screen to insert this bill of material. Now this bill of material shows parts with description and parts with quantity. Now see here part 1. This is part 1, quantity 1, radial bearings. These bearings, these are 2 number of here, quantity 2. Part 2, same here, 2 quantities. Part 3, this is 1 quantity. X bolt, we use 8 number of pieces of X bolt. See here, quantity is 8 and nut is also 8. You can create here a bill of material of these parts of assembly. Now select this, right click, save as. From here change save as type, select Excel. Here its name, I select BOM, bill of material of assembly. OK. Save. Now see here we created a bill of material with part name, description and quantity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.